The Soloscope II Automatic comes in this travel case. Nice stamped logo. And there it is. As you can see, the Soloscope II has a split dial. So on the right, you have your normal hours and minutes. If you look into the center of the watch, you'll see those skeletonized hours that rotate around. And then you see the big halo hand encircle the minutes. So if you look, right now it's reading 7:05. And then you'll see the 8 come into view if we rotate this around. Alright, so that's 8:10. The left-hand side has an AM/PM indicator with a double-sided hand that has a different color for either AM or PM. The Soloscope II got the nickname of the jellyfish because when you turn off the lights and turn it on its side, it starts to glow like a jellyfish. Crazy, right? Alright, let's see how it looks now when we put it on the wrist.